Today, we'll be baking Polvorones de Canele cookies. These are a type of cookie that originated in medieval Arabia. Medieval polvorones had a high amount of sugar, often contained with almonds and spices. Polvorones are popular in Spain and considered to be Spanish shortbread cookies. In Spanish, polvorones means dust, which these cookies are lightly dusted with powdered sugar and canele, also known as cinnamon in Spanish. These cookies are usually baked for important events in the Spanish culture. However, I say these cookies can be eaten anytime. I enjoyed baking Polvorones de Canele cookies, and I hope you do as well.